In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate WooCommerce on your WordPress site. This process is super straightforward and useful for those occasions when you might want to temporarily turn off your online store without losing any of your data or settings. Perhaps you're making some changes, or maybe you just need a break. Whatever the reason, deactivating WooCommerce is a quick task. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you need to log into your WordPress admin area. This is the area where all the magic happens, where you can control and manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. It's like the cockpit of your site, giving you a comprehensive overview and control panel for everything you'll need. Next, from the dashboard, you want to navigate over to the plugins section. You can easily find this in the left-hand sidebar, typically around the middle of the list that includes other elements such as posts, pages, and comments. Hovering over or clicking on it will reveal a few more options, and you want to click on Installed Plugins. This is your library, a complete list of all plugins currently installed on your WordPress site, whether they are active or inactive. As the page opens, you'll be greeted with a list of plugins. These can be arranged in different ways, but you should see WooCommerce listed here among your plugins. Now, finding WooCommerce might require a bit of scrolling depending on how many plugins you have installed, but you can always use the search feature to quickly locate it. Just type WooCommerce into the search bar, and it should pop right up, saving you some time. Once you've located WooCommerce, you will notice a blue Deactivate link right beneath it, along with other options like Edit and Delete. Click on Deactivate. Upon clicking it, WooCommerce will be deactivated on your website. You might notice the page refreshes, and the Deactivate link changes to Activate, indicating that WooCommerce is indeed turned off. It's worth mentioning that deactivating WooCommerce this way keeps all of your existing data and settings intact. There's no need to worry about losing your product listings, store settings, or any custom configurations you might have taken a long time to set up. This is particularly useful if you plan to reactivate it later, or if you're doing some background work that doesn't require the store to be live. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to temporarily deactivate WooCommerce on your WordPress site. It's straightforward, and you can reactivate it anytime by clicking the Activate link, bringing everything back just as you left it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy website managing.